Hello, Katie Ejikeme here with Luna Realty. Today I want to introduce you a newly available 2-bedroom, 2-bath here at Grand Baymen Gardens. This property is 1,100 square feet and it has been upgraded to the Best Western nightly rental program standards. So you can put this into a rental program, rent it nightly, rent it long-term, or live in it and come and go as you please if you're trying to transition into moving here to Belize. So we'll do a quick walkthrough. And again, this has been upgraded. So there is a owner's lockout clause that you'll see when we go into the back bedroom, and we'll start from there. All right, thanks for joining us to look at this 2-bedroom, 2-bath here at Grand Baymen Gardens. If you're interested in A102, reach out to us at info@lunarealtybelize.com and we'll get you all the info that you need, whether you're looking for an investment or to relocate here in Belize. We're happy to help you with your needs.